Good day, guys. Hope you are all well and enjoying your weekend. Okay, I've got a few things there to explain um, about this trade, about this pair that's going on. This is gold. As you saw on Friday, that there was a huge drop there, a huge drop, almost 500 pips there, almost 500 pips from this level, from that level to there. That's almost 500 to 600 pips they drop. So guys, we need to understand what's going on right now. Is because that drop I expected, as you saw from my video that I did, that I actually traded this pair and actually made 400, almost 360k from this trade alone, because I was very much certain of what was taking place. And the drop hasn't stopped as yet. It hasn't gone away. The price is still more likely to go down than continue the rally. As you can see on Friday, what happened was it got to that level there. As you can see with the blue, the that bigger blue box, um, and it bounced off because that's where the critical level is, which is our supply zone, as you can see there, because it tested this level um, here somewhere around mid-July, and it came back on Friday, and it could not break through the level. That tells us a lot of what's going on with this price. So then it pushed down, and now it's making a pullback. It's making a pullback, which means that from our analysis here, from my analysis, I would tell you that most certainly this is going to result in this price further pushing down. As you can see there, it already made a uh, we were seeing with our indicator there, the awesome oscillator, that there is divergence that's going on right there, and as you can see from that part, there's divergence there. There's divergence there that's going on. So let me delete this one. So basically, as you can see, came to this level, it pulled back down, made a lower low, then it made a then it went up again, making a higher high there. Then it came back down to this level, and most likely it will continue to go down, because it will pull up to that critical level there. You see that level there, because that's where the supply is now. It has moved from the top, and more than 70% of there is more than 70% probability that if it goes to that zone, to the zone here, it will bounce off and continue um, going down. So guys, this is just a brief analysis to make you aware of what's going on with gold right now, before it can actually uh, rally. This is amid the Friday NFP data, which was quite negative for the um, it was quite negative. As you can see that our earnings there, they're down 1%. Our employment change, that's a huge quite huge negative outlook there. And the employment rate, a difference of 0.2%. That's quite negative there, and these are actually huge gaps from what was forecasted. So this is to say that like as much as we need to analyze what's going on with the U.S., because of course the data that um, these figures that are being released on the USD, it affects gold, because in most cases gold actually actually moves in the opposite direction of what the USD is doing, mostly with USD JPY. It moves in the opposite direction of what's going on with the USD. So this data is very crucial for us to pay attention to, especially if we were trading gold. Of course, this is forms the basis of what this whole month is going to look like in terms of where the USD is heading. Yeah, those figures will actually tell you what will be happening. But you need to pay attention as well to the technicals, because you see, like in this instance, it's supposed to rally, but it needs to finish this technical pattern first before it can actually start to rally. So you need to pay attention to that. You don't just jump into a trade because the data is saying something else. You need to pay attention to what the technicals as well are saying. And of course, if it goes down, then we look for a buy setup, um, of which I'm expecting it to go down at least to this level, which is 23560. Then before it can go further down before it can actually continue the uptrend. So guys, have a blessed weekend, and this is what is likely to happen on Monday, come opening of the markets. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and expect more very insightful information from myself. And have a good one.